What's going on, y'all? We are on board the Carnival Paradise, and this is one of the suite rooms, U114, and we want to take you and show you what this room looks like. This is actually where Kurt and Marsha are staying, and they were nice enough to let us film and show you guys all the different functions and all the different things that this room has to offer.
All right, so we're in a suite, and it's very spacious, as you can see.
It's very sweet.
Very sweet, but these are the closets. Lots of room there. And let's go ahead and go into the bathroom. Oh, the couch. Got pull-outs, 2 pull-outs there. The couch. And then
Huge restroom. Of course, this is one of the other things. This is an ADA room.
it is a very big shower.
Very big.
Very nice shower.
Very large.
There. So now you have lots more storage space, a ton of storage. Lots and lots of storage, and another closet. So you will definitely have plenty of room in a suite. A lot more space than we have in our interior room.
Nice chair and table and large bed, and of course the push for assistance buttons for the ADA things. Each one of these lamps,
They have 2 USB
2 chargers.
charger ports there.
And right before they gave them this room, they had recently updated this door, and it's an automatic door.
But and it takes it a minute.
Ooh, fancy.
And there you go. It's a good sized balcony out here too.
It is. Nice size, you could say.
Nice size.
Look at that view. And if you get down like that, there's your pole.
It's a little big. It is a little big, but
And it's square. It makes...
it will work.
If you enjoyed this vlog, click the link above for more cruise content.